Hello, and welcome to Web Pros Meeting. This tutorial shows you how to use Video Roundtable. Look polished, build trust faster, and make every meeting feel more connected. When guests arrive in the meeting, everyone sees your branded home screen. However, if you want guests to immediately see you when they arrive, click Home, then select Video Roundtable from the menu. Video Roundtable can display up to 20 people per screen. And as the meeting host, you can manage the experience quickly and easily. If you need to mute everyone's camera and microphone, open the guest list and click Manage All Guest Rights. Now click the Talk and Video slide control so off. Then, if you want to allow only specific guests to activate their camera and microphone, click the Guest List button. Then click the three dots menu next to their name. Then choose Grant Camera and Grant Microphone. If someone has not activated their camera, they will appear with a default placeholder image and their name initials. That may not give the most polished look, especially if you're recording the meeting or using the room like a webinar. To display on your screen, only the guests who have their cameras activated. Use the View toggle control. This setting only changes your view. Each person can control what they want to see on their screen. Now, let's cover a few simple on-camera best practices that can instantly help you look more professional and create a better impression. First, place your camera at eye level. This helps you look confident, natural, and engaged. Instead of appearing like you're looking down or up at people, it feels more like a real conversation. Second, put light in front of your face, not behind you. Good front lighting helps people see you clearly and gives your meeting a cleaner, more professional appearance. Third, check your background. The built-in background images you can choose from this menu make it easy to display a clean, distraction-free video stream and keeps the attention on you and your message. Also, frame yourself so people can see your head and shoulders with a small amount of space above your head. This creates a balanced and professional look on screen. And when you speak, look into the camera, especially when welcoming guests or sharing something important. That simple habit helps people feel seen, even through a screen. Finally, join your meeting a few minutes early to test your camera and microphone. When you use Video Roundtable well, you do more than appear on screen. You create connection, you build trust faster, and you help every meeting feel more personal, more professional, and more memorable. That's what helps your meetings begin with confidence. Thank you for your interest in Web Pros Meeting, and thanks for watching.